Today, I will show you
How
how.
a modern electric car is made inside a futuristic factory powered by robots. It all begins at a massive high-tech facility where steel and precision meet innovation. Sheets of raw metal arrive, cold, flat, and full of potential. Robotic arms move into position, welding the frame together with perfect accuracy. Sparks fly as the car's skeleton takes shape, strong, lightweight, and ready for the future. Next comes the heart of the electric car, the battery pack. Heavy lithium batteries are installed with millimeter precision, carefully placed by synchronized robotic arms. Electric motors are added next, silent, powerful, and incredibly efficient. Now the bare metal body enters the paint line. Layers of paint are sprayed flawlessly, creating that smooth, glossy finish. Inside, the car begins to feel alive. Robots install the interior, seats, dashboard, and a massive touchscreen display. Wheels and suspension are attached, giving the car its stance and strength. Every vehicle goes through intense inspection. Sensors scan every surface, checking for even the smallest imperfection. The car is powered on for the first time. Lights glow. Systems wake up. It's charged, tested, and calibrated, ready for the road ahead. Finished cars glide down the conveyor, silent, clean, and futuristic. After one final check, they're loaded for delivery, from raw steel to a fully electric machine of the future. This is how a Tesla-style electric car is made.